Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents, ladies. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's razor review, the King C Gillette Double Edge Safety Razor. Comes in this beautiful looking box. It's a midnight blue with nice copper accents. And let's go around the box. On the front it says Boston, or I should say Boston, King C Gillette, established 1901. And it says here, condition, definition, precision, expertise. That's that little diamond up there. And then it says double edge safety razor, designed for edging with closed comb, chrome-plated finish. One razor, 5 blades. On the side, established Boston, 1901. And again, one double-edged safety razor, 5 platinum-coated blades on the side. Now let's go to the back. It says, the pinnacle of over a century's worth of innovation and expertise, and the only range that bears the name of our company's founder, King C. Gillette. That's King Camp Gillette, who developed the first safety razor in the early 1900s and mass-produced it. He was the first to mass-produce the safety razor. So this is a tribute to that. The high-quality chrome-plated handle with a single platinum-coated double-edged blade delivers ultimate precision for edging sideburns and strong beard lines. Our closed comb design allows better control, while the high-quality chrome-plated handle ensures long-lasting durability. And then it says the handle is made in China, the blade's made in Russia. And on the side, signature, King Camp Gillette. All right, so let's open this up, see what it looks like. It comes in a sealed package. It's got 2 round circular strips of tape that hold it shut. Let's pop one of these open. And I would be sure, if you go buy one of these, make sure that the tape is sealed properly. You don't want to be getting a razor that somebody messed around with before you got your hands on it. You want to make sure it's nice and clean. All right, here's the opening. Here's what it looks like. The razor seated comfortably inside. Let's remove that. And then there's a package of blades down at the bottom. And here are the blades. It says King C Gillette. Let's open one. It's a package of 5 blades. Let's have a look, see what they look like. Individually wrapped, sealed in paper. Here's a look at it. It says King C Gillette, fine grooming since 1901. Right on the face of the blade. Now we'll get to the razor. The specs on this razor weighs in at 3.6 ounces or 102 grams. And the length from top to bottom is 4.1 inches or 105 millimeters. It's a nice looking razor. It's a really nice chrome plated finish, very sturdy, feels good in the hand. It does have some diagonal knurling on the handle here. It runs diagonally from left to right. So by my feel, if you're right-handed, it's going to feel good in your hand, easy to grip. If you're left-handed, it's going to be a little slippery. And my buddy, Doc Steiger, brought this to my attention. When the diagonal lines run downward to the left like that, it's a little bit more difficult for southpaws to grip the razor. So keep that in mind if you're a lefty. This is a 3-piece razor. What that means is it unscrews, it breaks down. All you do is screw the handle counterclockwise, open it up. It breaks down into 3 pieces. Here it's got a piece of paper to separate the top cap and the safety bar. So this is called the top cap. It's got 2 pins and the post, and this is called the safety bar. This is a flat bar right here. That means it's flat. There are open comb, slant bars, different types of razors, but this is a flat or closed comb razor. So let's pop the blade in. Just take the blade, insert it right over the 2 pins and the post like so. And then reassemble top cap to safety bar, holding it from the outsides where it's not sharp. And then screw the handle back on clockwise and lock it down tight. You don't need to King Kong it here, just so it's snug. And then you want to check your reveal. You want to make sure that the blade is even on both sides so that you get an even shave when you flip back and forth. Looks like it is. Looks great. And you can also see that it's got a logo on it. Looks like KCG, King Camp Gillette. That's what it looks like to me. All right, so I'm going to perform a shave with this razor. I'll show you how to use it. And then we'll talk about it afterwards, how we like it or how we don't like it. I'll stick with the midnight blue coloring. We'll go with the midnight blue box of the Parasso Halo and Vitamin E shaving cream. Here's a look at that. Remove the cap. I'm going to use my Shave Nation Artisan shaving bowl. Here's a look at it. It's got lather lines that are raised, and then it's got a lather spot at the bottom, and it says Made in USA, which it is, made in Chicago. I'll fill up the bottom with the shaving cream. Just like that, a little bit at the bottom. I'll use my Shave Nation Patriot shaving brush. It's red, white, and blue. Got this marble cup of hot water. Just going to drop the brush in there. Here's what it looks like when it's dry. Now it's saturated. There's a peek at it when it's absorbed all the water. We'll pour out that water. Just give the brush a couple shakes. We'll go right to this bowl. Let's generate some lather. Using a brush and shaving cream or shaving soap like this, that's the preferred method of shaving with any double-edged safety razor. You can see that just 15-20 seconds we've already got enough lather for a shave. The brush running along the lather lines helps generate lather very quickly. There you go. So when it comes up to the top, the cream, you just scoop it back down and keep swirling. Before you know it, got mounds of lather like that. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. It's always best to have your beard warm, and that will prepare it for the shave ahead. You want the whiskers to be nice and soft, and hot water will do that for you. Whew, all right, nice and hot. You can see my face is turned red. That hot water brings the blood to the surface and softens the beard to prepare it for the shave ahead. All right, here we go. Let's grab our brush and our bowl, and let's apply some lather. Get right to the shave. Start at the right side. Work that lather in. Drive it into the beard and soften it up. I did have a couple days worth of beard growth, so pretty decent growth. We'll see what this razor can do. Mustache area. You can dip the brush in the hot water. Just warm it up a little. That warm lather feels great. Drive it in. Soften the beard. This shaving cream will provide a cushion for the blade to glide across. Little figure eight. Smooth everything out. Let's clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Keep them straight. And then dry the fingers. Whenever you pick up any sharp object, you want to have dry fingers. Okay, we've got the blade loaded. I'm going to warm up the razor under the hot water. It's always good to warm it up a bit so you have warm steel on face instead of cold steel on face. Okay, all you need to do, you're going to start perpendicular, meaning 90-degree angle to your face. Right there, you're going to cut your sideburn. So there's your 90-degree angle. Tilt slightly upward. Just a little bit, the handle out, and then work your way down. And you can see very nicely, removed my several days worth of beard growth very quickly. Section your face off right and left, and the first pass here is with the grain. And when it becomes filled on one side, flip to the other side, right down the neckline. Very nice. Now both sides are filled up. I'm going to rinse it off. Now I'll start the left side. Perpendicular, tilt slightly upward with the handle, and work your way down. And you can use your left hand with this if you want. Flip it over. Very nice, very good. Both sides are filled, we'll rinse off. Now the mustache area, Just come in underneath the nose, just scoop downward. Clean out that area, flip it over. Clean up a little bit. All right, very nice. The first pass complete. What you want to do now, rinse your face and feel around. And if you're smooth enough, you're done. I feel like I can go one more pass and get super smooth, so I will. I'll go back to my bowl and brush, load up again, apply a bit more lather for a second pass. Now the lather feels nice and cool because you've removed the bulk of your beard growth. Let's clear the runways one more time. That first pass was with the grain, as I said. Now we'll go across the grain. Using the same angle you used before, only sideways. And then you can backhand this. Very smooth shaving razor, feels good. Clean the cleft. Rinse off. Now I'll go against the grain on my neck. And across the mustache area. After your second pass, again, feel around. If you don't feel any stubble, nice and smooth, you're all set. But if you want to get super smooth, like glass, I'll show you that. Grab your brush, bowl. Let's apply a bit more lather on the cheeks here. Just right there. Just like that. What you want to do now, it's called riding the cap. You're going to take the rounded edge of the cap and just put it right on your skin and tilt that handle slightly upward. Nothing happens here, but when you go up a little bit, it starts to catch. That's your sweet spot. You're going against the grain. This is going to give you a baby smooth finish right here. You don't want to scrape like this, just enough where it catches. Right there. That's your sweet spot. That'll get your cheeks so smooth. Now you can do this right-handed, same way. Rounded portion, tilt slightly up. Or you can go with your left hand, whatever's good for you. Just when it catches. That's the spot right there. There you go. That's a baby smooth right there. That's what you want. Now rinse off with hot, then cold water. Now I'm going to take my Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, just raise it up a little bit, and then soak this under the cold water. While your face is still damp, just glide this all around. And this will seal off your pores. Excellent finish to the shave. Give you some feedback on your shave. If you get a lot of stinging, that means you maybe went over the same area too many times, irritated your skin, but I have no stinging whatsoever. This feels great. Very refreshing. Nice finish to the shave. So let that soak in for about 30 seconds and rinse that off. Pat the face dry. Sticking with the Parasso, I'll go with the matching aftershave balm, which is aloe and vitamin E. Protective. It's great for the skin. A couple drops of this in the fingertips and massage that in. Goes on nice and cool. Feels really good. This will give you an invisible layer of protection throughout the day. You can take your towel and fold it in half and just air dry it like this. Feels really good. There's your barbershop shave at home. Here's a final look at the razor, the King C Gillette double-edged safety razor. Very nice looking razor. Feels really good in the hand. I'm a righty, by the way, so I can grip it very well. Again, you lefties may have a little bit of trouble with it. Leave me some feedback down below. Tell me what you think about that. And it's a 3-piece razor, meaning it breaks down in 3 pieces. Also very appealing to the eye. It's got a nice look to it. Nice hefty chrome finish. Looks like it will last many years. Long enough where you can rest the base in the palm of your hand, which is nice. I'm going to classify this as a nice medium shaving razor. Not too mild, not too aggressive. Right down the middle. Great for everyday shaving, every other day shaving. You'll do very well with this razor. It's got the nice logo on the top cap there. Looks really cool. It performed quite well with the Gillette blades that came with it. I was happy with that. If you want to make it a little bit more aggressive, you could crank it up with a feather blade, which is the sharpest blade out there. That would make it a little bit more aggressive for you. But all in all, excellent razor. Very nice shaving. Again, medium aggressiveness. Great for every day, every other day use. As far as caring for your razor after the shave, it's up to you. You can put it off to the side and forget about it till your next shave. Or you can be a little bit over the top like me. I like to disassemble it, remove the blade, dry the parts, and I take the blade and I stick it to my magnet. This is a Shave Nation Stick It magnet. Put that right on the mirror up high so it's out of the reach of children. And then I take the blade and put it right on the magnetic portion and it stays there till my next shave. So you can be over the top like me, or you can just put it off to the side and forget about it till your next shave. I like to take care of my shaving equipment because it takes care of me. We don't have these in stock at Shave Nation yet, but hopefully we will. So just come back and click on the search box. If you want to check out any of our other items, we have over 2,000 items right now. Lots of different shaving products. It's kind of interesting to me that it doesn't say anything about shaving anywhere on the box. It does say, delivers ultimate precision for edging sideburns and strong beard lines. But nowhere does it say anything about shaving. Just so you know, you can shave with it, as I just did. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.